Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's look is this simple, natural, kind of sunburnt look. I've been doing this look a lot lately just because I think it is really natural. It's very easy. It's very, I don't know, just kind of, you can wear it wherever, you know, it's not too much. But let's get on to the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. And subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video.